So friends, welcome to the series of codao.org. अगला जो section है that is the resources section of this platform. You can see we have three kinds of resources. First is the core mainnet resources. Second is the core testnet resources and the broader tech stack. So अगर हम पहले इस section की बात करें that is the core mainnet resources. We have block explorer. हमारे पास है RPC endpoint, core bridge, core staking, Web3 provider, core scan contract verifier, Gnosis safe and white paper of this project. हम तीनों सबका links click कर सकते हैं and then you can see the details of each and every link over here. जैसे कि for example we have the core explorer. That means the जो भी transaction हो रहा है इस blockchain पे you can check out the details of every transaction on the blockchain. Second is the chain list helping users to connect to EVM powered networks. Third is the core bridge that you can swap any tokens on this platform. You can have staking as well. आप staking कर सकते हो and you can be a validator of this blockchain. Apart from that, you can sign in as Ultimate Web3 infrastructure platform. We have the option to verify and publish source code, contract address as well. Apart from that, we have welcome to safe wallet. You can create a wallet and store your cryptocurrencies into this particular wallets. And then we have the white paper of this project as well. So this was the resources section under which we have core mainnet resources. उसके वाला उनके पास है core testnet के resources. Testnet में है block explorer, RPC endpoint, Gnosis safe, core staking and core faucet. And उसके अलावा we have broader tech stack, Solidify, Ethersys.js, Remix, Hardhat, MetaMask, Web3.js, IFP, P2P, Gnosis, Open Zalipin contracts, Java Web3 and Web3.py. ये सारे tools and programs available है जो आपको अपने applications को build करने में help करेंगे जो decentralized applications के form में आपको output देंगे. So that is the tools available on this platform so that you can build your decentralized applications on this platform.